As part of the archaeological field methods course, which is taught to all anthropology and archaeology students, it's kind of like a liminal stage in any student's undergraduate career. They go through a process of actually going out into the field and doing hands-on archaeology. So as part of this class, which is part of the curriculum here in anthropology, we take students on an actual archaeological excavation. So it's not a simulation in any way. This particular work that we're doing now is at Chickamauga Chattanooga National Military Park, and we had to obtain a permit to do this work through the Archaeological Resources Protection Act. And the reason that we're doing this particular work is we've partnered with the National Park Service, who wants to return areas of the battlefield back to its original condition at the time of fighting in 1863.
Initially, it was something hands-on that I could do outside the classroom and really kind of get to know things in a different way. But since I've started, it has completely transformed into something that is both educational and active at the same time, which is something I've always wanted in a career. I thought I was going to find nails and maybe some Civil War bullets, but to find a Native American spear point in almost complete intact form was out of my mind crazy for what it was. Being able to touch something that hasn't been touched in so many thousands of years is just otherworldly to me.
My primary goal here is to produce students who are competent in doing archaeology so that when they get out of this program here, it's not just kind of like a fun experience of a major, it actually lands them in a career that they find fulfillment in. And that's my primary goal, is to get students competent in conducting archaeological work so that they can go out and they can put their major to work, they can put their education to work. But I also really hope that they kind of gain a deeper appreciation for the prehistory and history that's in this area, because here is a really unique area with lots of prehistory, lots of history, and it's just a special place to work, and I hope students have a deep appreciation of that.
It's the highlight of my week, for sure.